Oh, what's up, guys? I didn't see you there. Yeah, I'm just over here dusting off my open house sign. We'll tell you why in a second. What's up, everybody? It's your friend Ricky J. Alvarez, Ricky the Realtor here with Boulevard Real Estate, joined by my buddy Yoda. You guys probably haven't seen him in a minute. We're extremely glad that we're able to get out here, get outdoors. Yoda's missed being on camera. I think you guys haven't seen him since the first couple episodes, but I want to thank you again and welcome you back to Raw and Uncut Real Estate. This is episode number 33, you guys. So I wanted to bring it back to you guys and just give you a quick video and update about the real estate market, what's going on right now. Buddy, you want to tell them what's going on? Yoda's super excited because it's open house season, guys. It's come back. We are now able to show homes to the public, open house style on the weekends. So if your realtor's not in town or you guys just feel like going out yourselves, you guys can go do it now. That's the beauty of it. Huh, buddy? Yoda's over here giving me some loving. And more than anything, just wanted to give you guys that quick little update. That's why I'm over here dusting off my signs, getting ready for these open houses, meeting all of you guys, showing you guys these beautiful homes that we are going to be bringing to the market. So we're extremely excited. Rules have changed, you guys. There's still rules and regulations in place. Huh, buddy? You still got to wear your mask. And you always got to maintain your social distance. And ultimately, you will still have to sign those P documents, those entry forms to get in and waive essentially any waive litigation. Essentially, you're agreeing that you understand there's COVID. You're not going to sue anybody, right, buddy? We don't want no one to get sued. But ultimately, you guys, just wanted to give you this quick update. Open houses are back. We're extremely excited. We can't wait to get out there and can't wait to see you guys out there as well. So if you guys have any further questions, anything we could do for you, don't hesitate to reach out, whether you're working with us or not. Just want to give you guys some great information, give you guys some insight into this crazy real estate market, and want to wish you guys all the best. I'm recording this right before Memorial Day, so this is just a beautiful, beautiful weekend. Hope you guys go and enjoy this wonderful holiday weekend, and take care, guys. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.